Hello everyone, welcome to the daily current affair analysis series of GK Today. Today's topic of discussion is thousands of drones light up the sky during the beating retreat ceremony. So now let's start the video. A grand drone show was dazzled the sky during the beating retreat ceremony 2022 held at Vijay Chowk, New Delhi on January 29, 2022. This 10-minute drone show light up the sky in various patterns including India's map, the tricolor, the lion symbol and Mahatma Gandhi's image. It is to be noted that the beating retreat ceremony is conducted every year on January 29 at Vijay Chowk. The event has been a norm for over 70 years. Earlier only the Indian Armed Forces took part in the beating retreat ceremony, but from 2016 other police forces have also been invited to perform, including the Central Armed Police Forces. The drone show organized during this ceremony show involved over 1,000 Make in India drones fabricated through indigenous technology with synchronized music playing in the background. This whole show was organized by a startup named Botlab Dynamics and supported by the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, and the Department of Science and Technology. The drone show was conceptualized, designed, produced, and choreographed under the Make in India initiative. Other than this, there were a total of 26 performances in the beating retreat ceremony with music played by bands over the Indian Army, Air Forces, Navy, and the Central Armed Police Forces. The entry band played the Veer Sainik tune followed by the pipes and drum band, CAPF band, Indian Air Force band, Navy band, Army band and massed band. With Commander Vijay Chowk de Cruz was the principal commander of this ceremony. Several new tunes were also added to this ceremony to celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, including Hind Ki Sena, Kerala and Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo. The musical performances were brought to an end with the tune of Sare Jahan Se Acha. So that's all for the topic. Thanks for watching.